Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You'll get on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells, and today's video, you can probably see we're in another background, so this is great. This is great stuff. I'll explain that in a moment, but today's video is actually going to be showing you a new makeup product. Before we get into that, we will say the nitty-gritty stuff, and that is, if you like the video, then please do give it a massive thumbs up. It tells me what you guys want to see and like. Give it a massive thumbs up, because then I know and the video can go on. Yeah, it just helps me, and it just give it that thumbs up and I know that you like it. If you're new here, then please subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button and come and subscribing with tazwells12 family. That would be absolutely great. Hit the subscribe button and you can join my little YouTube journey and the little love family as we go along. And also you can comment down below. You can have a conversation and I'll 100% comment back to you. Comment back on anything you do like in this video, any advice. The actual product that I'm actually showing you, comment down below. And I just want to say that I am not sponsored by the brands or any of the places I do get these items. They're all out of my own money and they're just advice videos for you guys. So I think that's everything. Let's get on into this makeup brand showing, tutorial, testing video. I just want to say that quickly, that was my new beauty room, and you will see more of that background in future videos. So the product you actually want to see is this. This intrigued me. I just want to explain where this was from. So this was actually from HOMEBARGAINS. I think it was at the price of like 99p. Apparently it's going around on TikTok and it's going a little bit viral. I didn't actually know that. I just saw it, and these things are actually genuinely great. This I saw in HOMEBARGAINS a little while ago, and they only had like scarlet red and like a warm red. I was going to get the scarlet red, but I was not too sure of it. So now I've actually found a different one, and this is warm nude. So this is a bit more, like, as you can see, a little bit more up my street, and a nude is always someone's good vibes. This is the Vaseline Prime and Shine Dual little lipstick. There's new care and colour dual benefit, and it's one warm nude, and it comes like this. I completely haven't opened this. And then on the back it will tell me how I'm going to do this, so I will go through that in 2 seconds. This is from HOMEBARGAINS. I've actually went in HOMEBARGAINS today and they don't have any more of these. So when I saw these, they had absolute loads, so this must have gone off the scale, this colour, because literally when I bought it there was loads. But for 99p for a lip colour, that you cannot really go wrong. So we're going to try it. I'm just going to say what's on the back, and then we can go actually into the actual product. I don't actually like doing this, but I'm clipping my hair up because it's an absolute mess. So I'm just going to clip it up. My fringe is really long, I need to cut it, but I'm going to clip it up and just get it on my face because it's going to be a lot more easier. A makeup wipe on hand too. The back, it says a 2-in-1 lip balm and coloured lip gloss to give you that perfect pair of lips. So the step 1 is prime your lips with the Vaseline Jelly Balm, which nourishes and protects, leaving them feeling soft and smooth. And then step 2 is your shine, and make them pop with the coloured gloss that glides on for an effortlessly beautiful shine. So let's pop this open. I will clean my lips off first with the makeup wipe, and let's pop this open. So literally I've been waiting to try this with you guys, but I didn't want to open it. I hope this is not my new like go-to, because generally I'm going to be gutted if I can't ever get hold of this warm nude again. Have a look. There's a seal on it. It's always good. Take that off. Let's just get the makeup wipe and take any excess off. Dry. We'll take the bit off. Oh, it's really tiny. It's going to be perfect to take out. Oh, it's really tiny. Maybe should have bought another one of these. So basically that's how it comes out. But then if I roll it up, This is metal, by the way, which is really nice. It's only that like big. Wow, like I feel I should have bought another one of these. I think I'm gonna like it. I think I'm gonna really like this, but I just think this is gonna be really small. We'll do the first step now. My lips are dry. I have got a mirror here so that you guys can see what I'm doing still. I guess you could put a lip pencil on before you did the lip balm, but you can see where it's definitely working. You could use this on its own. It's really nice, actually creamy. Okay. I'm trying to protect everywhere that kind of would. I don't know if that's actually going to run out that quick, actually, because you can't see if I actually use it. It looks still brand new. So do that up, put the lid on. So now this is the gloss. Now we're going to open it and see the gloss. So it's like the tiniest gloss. I really didn't know it was going to be this like tiny, but that's literally all the gloss you get. So I wish I really had picked one of these up again. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger, so I'm just going to brush it off because there was like quite a lot of gloss on there, and we can just pick it up. So that's the little applicator with the little foot. This looks really nice. So we're just going to apply this now. Oh my days. I think it's got a sweet smell to it as well. Oh my days, why did I not pick another one of these up? Because this is beautiful. I'm actually really gutted now I did not pick two of these up. Actually, you don't really need a lot. Like I said, I brushed them off, but that, oh my god, that's beautiful, isn't it? That makes you have really nice lips as well. Oh, I like that. Do you know that would be lovely if you primed it and then you put a liquid lipstick on, because I've got sort of the same colour like this from somewhere else, and then you put that gloss over the top. Once it dried, oh my god, that is for days. That's so nice. I'm just going to let my hair down 2 seconds and then we will talk about this even more. I've just put my hair down. That looks a lot better. Oh my days, that is so pretty. That is a lovely gloss, and oh my god, your lips just feel so moist and like nourished. They don't feel dry at all. That would be a beautiful lip gloss to take anywhere. I'm so glad I got it in the warm nude. Just wanted a nice gloss lip with like a nice like brown eye. That would look so pretty. So this is a good little buy if you ever do see it. The Vaseline Prime and Shine Warm Nude, please get another one, because I'm going to look out for another one of these, because I think this is going to be my go-to. Honestly, this is beautiful. I can see why this has gone very viral, for the fact that it's 99p, it's cheap as chips, it's beautiful. It actually doesn't feel like heavy on your lips. It doesn't feel like a heavy gloss. It just feels like a nice shiny gloss. And it's got the most beautiful colour. Like, honestly, if you like to red or anything like that, you'd obviously benefit from getting all 3 of the colours. You know what they'd also benefit with? It's like getting like a darker nude, like a darker brownie nude. That would be beautiful too. But this is beautiful, and I 100% rate this, and I can see why it's gone overboard. That's really nice. unfortunately this has come to the end of the review, sort of testing tutorial makeup video to do with the Vaseline Prime and Shine in the warm nude. This is great. Like I said, my verdict on this is 100% of get this lippy for 99p of Home Bargains. Absolute great bargain. Said it has come to the end of the video. If you do like the video and you did like this little product and you've already tried it out, then give it a thumbs up. Then it tells me that you like these sort of makeup videos and tutorials and everything else, so definitely give it a massive thumbs up. You can subscribe to tazwells12 if you're brand new here and watching this video. Then hit the subscribe button. Join my YouTube journey as we go along, join the Love family, and you are more than welcome. Also comment down below, because I know a lot of you have probably tried this, so definitely comment down below and tell me what you think. Tell me if you didn't like it, tell me if you absolutely love it, and tell me if you've tried any of the other colours. That would be great. And the last thing is, I just want to say that I am not sponsored by Vaseline, any of the brands that I do show you, or any brands I talk about like Home Bargains or anything. This is all out of my own money and it is not sponsored by anyone. It's just an advice video for you guys. That is everything. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, or thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.